In this video, I will teach you how to add your custom domain on Lovable AI, quick and easy for 2025. So first thing you need to do is to go to Lovable AI website on your browser. But if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on sign up and create one using your email or Google login. But if you already have an account, you can simply just click login and enter your credentials. Now once you're in, you can just choose the project or website that you want to connect your custom domain with. So you just have to click on that, which is I'm right here already, and open the editor or settings panel, depending on your account layout. Now to navigate the settings tab, all you have to do is to click on this arrow down right here, and you'll be able to see settings on the dashboard. So you just have to click on that. Now look for the section labeled custom domains or domains right here. You just have to click on that. And this is where you'll add and manage the web address you own. So to add or connect your existing domain and your custom domain on Lovable AI, all you have to do is to click on Connect Domain right here and upgrade your requirement right here. Now once you've added all of that and type in, Lovable AI will now give you DNS instruction to link your domain from your registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. You just have to open your domains registrar website, log in, and go to your DNS management section. You can add a record or CNAME record exactly as shown in Lovable AI's instruction. After everything is done, you can just save your changes, and it might take a while or a few minutes or to a few hours for connection to update. Then you can pretty much go back to Lovable AI and click verify or check connection. Once everything is confirmed, your site will now load using your custom domain. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.